abasi senko munko na eblanken hamida se ya ni aya nso aba ama no makoka be kaye she enipa wodi ka ba first one wodi dum so abeto Ghana fo so Mahama di dum so abeto Ghana fo so ama nkofo nyuma seye ne se nyankopa akaya koma ni ya to aba etia na mo se ya sa kofa na ba mo sa de ne bag
abuza for mamu nyina makwa baba Ghana nsem TV so Mahama so be like video be subscribe to the channel what any notifications say be videos of this nature ba also sabet makabina uswasha ma loved ones say the aye no na say the munyam refer Mr. President to whom na from Mr. President and major also sa na mosom for me ti mo be sommo komo na ma fa madwuma se me sommo if by chance opeso boy studio work he be a near your opeso contribute to your sound light data BBR is highly accepted because you know this is the only active NPP or pro NPP platform on social media. JD some Ghana for near some so na many kono enti your platform yen fango please go baby ya e de some so no two person boy studio work here e beje ni be so panso e be da wasen so e pa chonti reach out number na das here na yen sabeka ni be da wasi ni be so pa na zi Sammy Gyamfi a very young politician, but in my opinion my dream say also she be and say be using na nice e be using papa already kwa using that Sammy Gyamfi right now me dey me hu dey me go if I say gold board na Ponzi scheme na me hu gold board a Ponzi scheme gold board and men's good difference be any gold board and a men's good difference be any now anyone want say you are Ibrahim Mahama or top private jet when ninu be man e power and go top private jet anyone want ebi my menchwa dream say so sa you Ibrahim Mahama me mejidi say let's support our own mejidi sabi esika for ne mo no munyi nemum so afa kwampa so anye ya wo de pressure hunu beto mabunu no so sa na ti o ti ye ne be hwehwe na kura be koso sa na se yera Ibrahim Mahama de beto private jet bia no a age se NDC wo power na ni nua president adai mementi bibia se na jata cement ni podo se le to jata cement Ghana ha jata cement ni podo se ne su jata cement edisi dan Ghana ha it's a Juma Ben Kwana said Yura no ya Ninian or power and Kwan to private jet. Ibrahim Mahama is one of the finest brains when it comes to business. Me, Mr. President, I will never take that one away from him. But I believe that anytime a baby be extra biano, he does it in the moment. I said began from what Chiroma said Ninia and a president, and yet it's very bad. Enu nti ene miko kumasi dwom koto no makakra se meni be maduane na meko ne ensama asabi kejeta market man ewese guma so mun na mi bi na membeche e wo Ghana nsem TV hai e man so mo nti ase de nti asabi yewa obeto private jet bia na eni nua na wo power ni nua na wo government nti no top auto private jet adai anani nua ne baba ma private jet na ne bo kofom ena yango fo pese mu hunu na ye de nti ase Niye Ibrahim Mahama kure na ninu aba di president and so driving no ninu president na ninu na driving no ya me ni anya de ni me ni ambra kasa bi ninu on one driving ninu afraid ya die na sorry afraid ninu akoto private jet Ghana for see musa unya scan away me so a very fine brain when it comes to business but adit na Ghana for home extra musabri unya president enko na timto private jet in some of the chance kakra it's Ghana for be say there be a gold board a Ponzi scheme and no one men's good MC gold board no and no one men's good well nim Sammy Gyamfi be nim Sammy Gyamfi the boss and Ibrahim Mahama ai Sammy Gyamfi the boss and Ibrahim Mahama of a sudden someone who is a communication specialist someone who when it comes to communication he is up there Me are moving from the field of communication so me gold won sensem so me patch asem we ntwetwe so and here are some Gyamfi mama ka so komi cho you are a potential jail candidate oh ya twere na gu MPP nkwan man you are a potential jail candidate wo ni ato forcing mo be di gold board ano sabi nkofo ne se obom nyansa koro no saa nya na meka nkofo na eka almost as a license over 2 billion budget license which are license by next 2 months major for nyansa koro no na obo kumaso for man say MPP for ba mamu no so man che 1 2 1 1 ko jail pa o mon tia se da so you are a potential jail candidate you are some Gyamfi me MPP ni mejitum but I can't take that away from you that you are a good communicator and throw the way yard. But then trouble don't even defend you. You are a potential jail candidate. Ghana first main country. I'm so bad them. And you know now about 240 million US dollars. You know
John Dramani Mahama in one breath is a Russia-Ukraine war.
now you want to force and after the year when they see Ghana sika over a gold reserves or over 18 tons. You are a potential jail candidate.
When Yansem who we are being watching. War Benya. Ada Malam Junction ya Kuntokwano. Mahama said Russia-Ukraine war and fear who baby are. Sansuna Iran any Tehran ne Tel Aviv ne US. Minim so mo kunwa a year abobulushi market you said you mentiasie. Ada abobulushi market no mo kwana mentiasie. Eti war in Iran will bring hardship on ejakwabna emfa hardship bia mehu ejakwabna jai emfa hardship bia mehu te Ghana for hu beto mo Ghana for be yoke afefri Sammy Gyamfi anu a osidei Iran conflict hurting our good Sammy Gyamfi wan fo asem wan so obe nwate wanim se boha all for someone so wa be hu go trade by na Iran for be kontokwa e wo gold board office Iran for ma be kontokwa wo gold board office ya na be sem ti ase Iran for ma be kontokwa e wo gold board office ya na if say Iran ntokwa na emfa Ghana ho ba bi ha per the logic of John Dramani Mahama emfa Ghana ho ba bi ha. Now Memo announcement, Mr. Mua, way OMC Semen Kanchiram say, chairman of a OMC Semen Kanchiram say, fuel prices, ebetimi akọ 17 Ghana cedi per liter. Mema announcement, Oma ubufu wa Mema announcement keke. Eti wa ubufu se, ana katechi, ama CNT.
Ukraine-Russia war. Now Ukraine-Russia, omo kwa efa ya Ghana for efa ya hube. Yeah, it's your baby. Ukraine-Russia war. What's not play mu na kasem. Na Cote d'Ivoire son kasem. Say Russia-Ukraine omo kwa. And so
a few moments later,
Ghana is not immune from the shocks of global events. Recent events in the Middle East, which involve an exchange of missiles between Israel and Iran, have started to escalate crude oil prices dramatically. About our Minister of Finance and Minister of Energy,
our Minister of Finance
keep a close eye on the development.
Like say Russia Ukraine pa Ghana baby and then obi kun ntokwa wo Tehran do ho a wo say waka kire o Minister of Finance and Energy so omonya de be Your Excellency, politics of convenience, dishonesty in our political landscape, such a degree of dishonesty, such a level of dishonesty in our political landscape. And when Russia Ukraine o say am fair ho e say 7,000 Tel Aviv ne eye Tehran eno na ewo ayi aboso kan ya na mentiase moma no kore emra monum kakra no kore na oman ni mu be ya den na fuel akọ 17 cedi na enu ameda sori yem hu se ko concern mi nua baako MPP ni baako pa wo ko concern wo sika dachi Sammy Gyamfi ni ehwe nam Sammy Gyamfi why dey no se NDC fo no wo mo nom no am say Sammy Gyamfi wo mo nom no adai am so Sammy dollar Sammy agrada eni wo mo papa agrada asi ntram say menti ase afem for social media me hwe na Sammy Gyamfi ade ne valor woman of valor nanaba it's EU so omoyenom so woman of valor is the reason Sammy Gyamfi is being beaten on social media by his own people. I'm saying, as a woman of valor. Actually, na General Blake ko concerning no ko twe way by say eyi nana jaja yamfa wentuto. We was a Gold Board Ministry of Foreign Affairs sponsored Women of Valor sparks anger amongst. I'm saying na mitie mu no ne say eye ma fe se wa me here na ba na moa woman of valor and ye twitwi makeup ho and ye atena play mu ne ye kwa aburuchiri London and this is boy yes o wajo abroach omko London woman of valor for no call London adai yes, so I'm call London, so I'm call show, I'm call program for women of valor. As a ma, we sina omuna so more thing a permanent former. And I hear them so Sammy Gyamfi a gold board no. And what sponsor women of valor for. Na NDC for muni yakutu kumsa na naba na mwa ya campaign tia jo mama na oba en wodidie and wo ye say na nam se antina mbo afui. Afe abrantie yentie no
NDC mpanyinfo
quantum
pamocho ya friend is do madina zogo jashi taxi driver me pamocho tawe na mi su assembled efro yarifa ebesi ko Accra me nanti ni masara nanti free Accra aba oyarifa
musa certificate name woman of valor wanswa nanaba na moa wa fe nanaba mamfa nanim sa anto subio nanaba na moa NDC as though when they sponsor women of valor for nanaba beautiful woman honestly wa me here beautiful Abe nanaba na moa say NDC bo mu dia yi ubati women of valor landing women of valor everybody. Waiting as do I know. I was to say that Jasmine can be binchero. I said that Osi I day. You didn't quasi afford a pretty to me. Any obi person or church, you didn't quasi afford a pretty to me. I was able to, what's the idea? The reality on the ground, and it's for every political party, you want more, you do muji to me, and you want more, you do mubumai. That truth, no, you should appreciate that truth from the onset. A better truth, and not now, party be a rallyer. You want more, mutna.